Chriso. Ooh. How you going? Now it's I've only got a bit to go now. I've just come back from lunch, having a sanger, and I've just got to come out here, do a couple of cuts in there. Cut for that toilet, but it's a nice flush, flash. It's a nice flash dunny. I don't have to be too careful and that sort of thing cutting around. I just cut a square out because it's a back to wall toilet. A nice new one. They're all easy these days. I'm leaving that until tomorrow. A lot easier to do when you can walk on it and lay your slope, and then I'm able to go off straight off this floor, so it's all lovely flat and level and sloping nicely. This is a 15mm trowel. I like to use something, you know, with 12's all right on a real flat concrete floor. This is all flat too, but it's nice to use a decent notchy. Tell you what I haven't done. I'll be able to do that. It does help people because keeps your glue out of your lines. But you know, if you forget sometimes, well, it's not a major. Every time I get a set of wedges, I get one of these. I've probably got about 6 of these kicking around in my van. And then I hardly use them. But today I thought I would. Just for a change. A little bit of a hit here and there. Just to get things nice. I haven't quite got it. I haven't quite got it as good as I want to have it, so it's a little bit of a hit here and there, and we'll get it right. That's looking better. Better! That's better. That's better. With this, I'm just waiting for my glue to go off a little. Oh, that's not bad. It's been going off for a little while. This time I've used glue, but my preferred is a bit of mud. Mix up a little bit of mud in a bucket. But it's a light, cheap waste, so there's not a lot of weight there. Cool. I'll cut the top and pop that in shortly. I've got to cut those two pieces there. This, I've got the top off because I'll mark the round. I'm not sure whether he's having his vanity is screwed to the wall. I'm not sure, or whether it's going down to the ground, down to the floor. I'm not sure. I think it might be a hanging vanity, a wall hung. Anyway, I'll be cutting so I'll make it nice and round. That I'll use as my template. Easy peasy. See you soon. Yo.